Hello students, today we will see Petty Cash Book, and in Petty Cash Book interest system will be discussed today. So let's see first the format. So format of the Petty Cash Book is like this, in which debit and credit side are there, but in debit only amount received column is there. Again cash book folio, that means reference to cash book page number, date is there, particulars, voucher number, total payments, and here in this system, analytical system, we keep the payments record, item, courier, all are similar. So this is a under a separate head, whereas wages are under separate head, conveyance, carriage, stationery, or miscellaneous expenses. Means the objective of petty cash book, maintaining petty cash book, is to free up cash book from a small amount items, like tea is bought for 5 rupees or 10 rupees. So in a big concern, if such a 5 or 10 rupees will be recorded in cash book, then cash will become too heavy, and its purpose will be diluted, whereas we have to see the cash transactions which are somehow important in nature and which has some effect on the financial condition of the business. So here small cash expenses are maintained under petty cash book. So let's see illustration, then it will be more clear. So under interest system, a particular balance is maintained, and at the start of each month, that balance has to be debited to the petty cash book. Like for example, suppose you are given 1,000 rupees for your pocket expenses by your guardian or parents. So suppose at the end of the month you see that only 700 has been spent, and 300 is remaining balance. So next, if you are given pocket money under uh, interest system, then again your parents will give you only 700 rupees to make it 1000 at the start of the month. So that is the interest system, and in interest system we will see how to do the entries. So received 10,000 from cashier, and purchase stationery, wages, charity, purchase soap, newspaper bill, taxi fare, cartage, paid postal expenses, auto fare, courier service, speed post, wages, cartage, again refreshment, photo stating, pen, pencil, wages, loading charges are there. Now let's see what is the solution. First thing is that at the start 10,000 rupees, that is the interest system balance. Again, after that nothing will be entered in debit side, and only credit will be there, because in middle of the month no money will be paid to the petty cashier. So let's see, each and every expenses has been maintained here and mentioned here. And suppose stationery 800, so in total column 800 will be there, and again in stationery column 800 will be there. Go. Like wages, for wages a separate column is here. Charity, now charity means miscellaneous expenses, all the other expenses excepting postage, wages, conveyance, cartage, and stationery, we will throw all the things in the miscellaneous expense if we don't understand any head, but you have to enter all the amounts. So by soap is under miscellaneous, again newspaper is under miscellaneous, again when taxi fare will be paid it will be added to the conveyance, and when cartage will be paid it will be written in the cartage column, that means carriage or postal. Now let's see what happens at the end of the month. At the end of the month, total payments are 8,400. So here how we will balance, you can see here that 10,000 is written here, and here also 10,000 has been mentioned. Whatever is the balance will come here, that means 8,400 spent, so 1,600 remaining. By balance sheet we will write at the last day of the month, and all the postage, wages, convenience, all we will do total, so that we can understand how much has been spent for postage and for wages, convenience, cartage, stationery, etc. So like this, when we balance, then a two balance CD figure will come. Now, like we do in cash book separate different columns are there. Here particulars are maintained in the same column. So two balance BD we will write on August 1st here in the debit side. Now 1600, to make it 10,000. To make it 10,000, we need to credit by petty cash. We will write in cash book by petty cash, and here we will write to cash. That means it is debited, so 8,400 will be debited here. And again at the start of the month, the total balance will become 10,000. So from again next month, again this column will continue, and all these columns will continue, and we will keep writing all the expenses. Again, suppose 5,000 rupees is spent this month, so 5,000 remaining balance will be again to balancing and write to balance PD, and again 5,000 is needed to make it 10,000. So at last we will again write on first day of month to cash, and 5,000 rupees we will write. So that is called impress system. Nothing complex in that, only format you have to remember. These voucher number, cash book folio, these columns where to put, and you can make as many columns as you want for postage, courier, wages, convenience, whatever we see. If that is creating a head like postage and courier, it's coming several times, wages coming several times, so we make it under a separate head. But soap coming once, so for soap we will not make any separate column. So under miscellaneous expense we will throw all. Even if all different students can do different kind of heads, and there is no problem if one head is less or one head is more. But clearly with relevancy, I'm sending one homework. You solve that, and it will be easier for you to again solve that. So 2 3/4 when you will make, it will be totally clear to you how to make petty cash book. Thank you.